Hey guys, so I'm here and I have my oscillating tool. So I'm gonna open it up and show you what I have. So it comes with a nice bag, so perfect little work bag for your tool. Comes with the instructions and then the tool itself. And so I kind of just assembled it a little bit already, but it comes with the tool itself and then all the battery, the charger, and then different blades and such. So, you know, this one says it is for wood and plastics and soft metal. And then there's a bunch of different other ones. Like I know I've used this one before for drywall, so that's perfect. It comes with these, and then it also has a sanding ones. Right here. It also has this and then a sanding one so you can sand stuff with it too. So I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna put it together here and show you how easy it is. So there you go. You put on the handle, and then I want to put on the blade. So you flip the back here, and then there you go. And then it pops open here so that I can put this on. So you drop that in there, and then you flip it back. There we go. And it pretty much just shakes is how it works. So then I'm going to, and it comes with the charger too. So you got everything that you need in this box. And then you can obviously put in the bag. But here, I'll show you guys how this works. So let's see, put it on there. And there we go. And so you can switch which level and how fast you want it to go right here. So let's turn it to 6. And I'll show you guys sort of how it works here. So I mean, so it's for sure a good oscillating tool. I mean, I'm definitely going to use it. I mainly use these when I do drywall. But I mean, it's nice because it has this wood and plastics one, and that'll work on wood too. So that's pretty cool, and it has the settings right here, so I can switch it up and down. So yeah, I mean, that's cool, and it has a little bag with it, so I'll be able to carry it, you know, if I need to go to somebody's house and do this. So this is perfect. I mean, I give it a thumbs up.